Welcome to Feature Impact's industry-leading reporting portal. Here you'll find detailed reporting on your project, including tear sheets, screen captures, demographic information, and other program metrics. Start by logging in using the information provided via email post distribution. Once logged in, you can find your most recent projects under Current Projects on the left-hand side of the screen. Any projects from the last 24 months will also be available under the Project List section at the top of the screen. Click into your current project to view the summary page, which includes totals at the top. Scroll down to find a breakdown of earned and sponsored placements, downloads, and social media or content amplification, or video results, if applicable. Further down, you can also find a placement map, placement timeline, and demographic reporting. By clicking the Program Totals drop-down menu, you can filter this summary page by each piece of content in your program, such as full page, half page, article, Spanish, or video. Once selected, any filtering applies as you move through the other tabs. If selected ahead of time, the Key Markets tab will show only placement information for those states, or DMAs. You can also add key markets in the portal on your own post-distribution. To find project placements, click the Placements tab, where you can find tear sheets, screen captures, and additional demographic info. You can also sort placements by date and earned or sponsored. The Downloads tab is a great resource to see what kind of earned media traction your project is getting in its infancy. If your program includes social amplification or video, those tabs will provide total impressions, engagements, and views at the top, while also showing a platform-by-platform breakdown as you scroll. The export function allows you to download a PDF or Excel spreadsheet of the desired information. You can also white label the report or add your own logo prior to downloading or sending directly to a colleague. If you have any questions or need assistance, please check out the FAQ section in the top menu bar or reach out to your account manager.